A 3-year-old picture of an upside-down flag outside the home of Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito is generating calls from the left for him to recuse himself from some high-profile cases as the country awaits a slew of opinions in a series of contentious Supreme Court debates.
The court suffers historically low trust right now among the American people, and this is doing nothing to help that.
The New York Times obtained the picture dated January 17, 2021, and quoted a law professor who equated the flag to putting up a "Stop the Steal" sign in the justice's yard. Justice Alito told me today that it was yard signs that actually sparked the dispute that led to his wife, Martha Ann, briefly flying the flag upside down, something in which he says he had no involvement. Alito says his wife had spoken to a neighbor about a sign saying "Bleep Trump" in view of where school children waited for their bus. It did not go well. Alito says the neighbor then put up a sign directly naming Mrs. Alito and blaming her for the events of January 6th. According to the justice, while the Alitos were on a walk, a man at the home with the signs got into a heated discussion with Mrs. Alito, quote, including the C word. She was distraught and hung the flag as it appears in that published photo. The justice offered no explanation for that gesture. Most of the country got its first glimpse of Martha Ann Alito during her husband's heated confirmation hearings, at one point in tears. Senate Judiciary Committee Chairman Dick Durbin was a part of those hearings and said today that the flag photo, quote, clearly creates the appearance of bias. Justice Alito should recuse himself immediately from cases related to the 2020 election and the January 6th insurrection, including the question of the former president's immunity in U.S. v. Donald Trump. There is no indication Justice Alito intends to step away from any case currently under consideration. We will get the next batch of opinions from the Supreme Court next Thursday. In Washington, Shannon Bream, Fox News.